Welcome back to another video. Today we're going on another evening hunt. We got a untilled wheat field. We got good wind that isn't going to die on us tonight. I think we got 15 miles an hour all the way till dark. Wind will not be a problem today. We got 7, possibly 8 guys going. Gonna be me, Colin, Carter, and then Joe from our big hunt and the hunt before that, that awesome weekend we had, and then some of his buddies that are going out. Carter's on his way over here. We're gonna load the truck up, running layouts. Got a south wind, it's about upper 60s today. Kind of warming up again. I'm kind of sad about it, but this could possibly be our last early goose video of the season. We got duck opener here in a week. Yeah, it's Sunday today. Next Saturday it opens, so I'm gonna start grinding out the duck content for you guys. Hopefully get some good ones of that. I know we will. There's tons of ducks this year. I think populations are up 20%. I've seen on some websites saying in North Dakota this year, so there's definitely a lot more ducks here than last year. Should be a crazy year, so stay tuned for that and stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Also, make sure you guys give us a follow on Instagram, and if you're not subscribed to us, definitely subscribe. Like Dustin said, we're gonna be having a ton of content out this year, and we're super pumped to get it out for you guys. Also, check out our website. We got a bunch of cool things. I'll put that in the link below. But so yeah, we're just waiting for Carter to get here. He said he'd be here in 30 seconds, about a minute and a half ago, so we'll give it another 10 minutes and see where he's at.
Hey, hopped on the TikTok white girl trend. It's not all that. Like, I don't know why everyone hypes it up.
What's about to happen here?
I'm about to get pulled over, boys. Trying to get to the spot a little too fast.
Well, this is Carter's second time getting pulled over going to the spot. We'll see how this is gonna go here.
Hello, how we doing?
A little fast today.
Little fast, I know.
Realize how fast you were going?
90.
You're about 99.
It's one of the two.
I did 94 a few miles back. I let you go and I got behind you and started watching a little closer. And you creeped up to 99 just back here about a mile or two. Where are you coming from?
Fargo. We're a little late to the spot, so we're trying to get there.
Okay. Trying to get there before the sun goes down?
Yeah.
All right. I'll run a couple checks. Be back in a few minutes here.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm gonna get a ticket today, boys.
99.
I didn't even know this rig went. It's a little V6 banger.
He was gonna let you go at 94.
Yeah. I think he's gonna give him a warning, maybe. What do you think, Dustin?
All right, so here's the deal. In North Dakota, it's a mile or $1 per mile an hour over. So even if he does get a ticket, it's like 25 bucks. I don't know. I think he might get away. I think he might get a.
There's no way, man. There's no way. There's no way.
I don't know. He clocked him at 94 a couple miles back, he said, and then he was watching and he creeped up to 99. So
I just want to go hunt, man.
Okay, Carter. It's going to cost you 120 bucks. And then you got 14 days to mail it and take care of it.
All right, sounds good.
License, everything's in the envelope. So slow down. I understand the reason to get there, but you got to slow down.
120 bucks because he hit.
That's a lot of Mountain Dew, man.
All right, so I guess the law is it's $1 per mile an hour over if it's less than 20 miles an hour over. So when he clocked him at 94, it would have been a $19 ticket, but since it was over 5 more miles an hour.
I guess you also got to be safe on the road, and I totally understand the cop for writing me a ticket going 99.
Well, we made it to the field. It's super windy out, so I'm just gonna film in here while I can. We're setting up the spread and everything. We're running layouts. There's 8 or 9 guys, and then I'm not sure how many decoys we're gonna be using, but we're gonna get set up, and then I'll get back to you guys.
All right, so we're running 30 dozen V2Fs, and then I think we got a dozen of the tall socks, dive bomb socks, right over the layouts here for just overhead cover. This field is cut super short. It's not tilled or anything, but the stubble's like that tall. So it's just a little extra hide for us. There's 350, 400 birds in here this morning. It should be pretty good. This wind is ripping. These birds hopefully aren't gonna circle us. They're just gonna come and sit down right in our faces.
Five up, five down, boy.
This could get gross right here, boys.
These birds, they're just floating in this wind. We got a strong wind. It's like 20 miles an hour, and these birds they're coming in so low. They're probably at like 15, 20 right now. Just working on these packs as they come by.
So it's very, very windy out today. The dive bombs are dancing a little bit too much, so we're gonna go and just push them down closer to the ground so they won't swing as much. Hard to hide 9 guys in a low-cut wheat field, but we're making it work with what we got.
They're coming.
Come. Come on. Heel. Heel. Hey. Heel. Good dog. Oh, we're starting to get them. These flocks are coming pretty spaced out, which is nice. I was kind of thinking with how late they're flying, they might all come at once, but they're still coming in decent groups. So we're working on them here. We're over 20 now.
Give them the dirt. Go on, man. Go on. Oh, really good. Go on, man. Go on.
Nice.
Well, it's about that time. Birds are not really flying that well. They're all starting to fly back to the roost, so we're gonna stick it out till sunset, see if a few more come by us. We ended the night pretty strong. We ended with 38. These geese, this wind was so nice. They'd come in super low. They would just come on a string, and I think we had 1 or 2 flocks that kind of flared away from us. I mean, 38 geese, can't complain. That's an awesome hunt for us to end off the early season. I'm not sure if we're gonna be out here tomorrow or Tuesday, but
yo, just another grinder with the SmackEM boys, baby. Let's go. Great time out here. It was kind of hot right away, but you know, that's just the south wind that's here. It was pretty great because we're driving on the interstate, and all of a sudden we see the SmackEM pickup fly past us. We're like, oh my god. So I snapped the boys quick, and then I was like, you guys hunting? They're like, yeah. And then he was like, do you know so and so? And I was like, yeah. And they're like, that's who we're hunting with. I was like, no shit. Like, we are gonna grind with the boys again. Let's go. So yeah, when we saw you guys, like my heart, I love these boys so much. My heart exploded for them. Yeah. We can't not have a grinder of a hunt again, because the first hunt I was on with them, grinder, late season grinder. But now this one top, this one puts a cherry on top.
Closing up the hunt here, ended with 38 geese. I know a couple flocks flared off of us. It was really tough hiding again. Hunting a basically tilled field that's a little more golden, but this stuff is literally like, that's our stubble. So real hard to hide in that. We got her done, and those socks definitely helped out for over our head, over our faces. Wind definitely helped. These birds were just crawling across the field, and a bunch of good shooters get together and you're gonna have some geese die. So another great hunt. Good times with Joe here. Make sure you like the video. That was a good video, I know it was. Make sure you comment, leave us video ideas as always. Check out the website, linked in the description, on YouTube, on Instagram, and stay tuned for more videos. We got duck opener next weekend, so be ready for that. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.